Assalamualaikum viewer. Let's start with Mathematica. Please subscribe this channel. Today we are discussing about expressions and functions, that is the elementary algebra. Today in this lecture we are discuss briefly about the basic algebraic operation in which factors, how to make factors through Mathematica, expand and multiplying expansion, and third one is to gather expansion, write expansion as a single fraction, and simply perform the algebraic manipulations on expression and return to the simplest form it find. Here we will discuss four things. Let's we move. Our first example is factor the polynomials 2x cube plus 27xy minus 84y square. We want to make factor of this expression. How we can make or factorize this? The second part is expand the expansion. We want to use a formula here, and this one and multiply this command, and the third one is write the sum of this in a single fraction. Here are three examples we are discussing here. First of all, you people write in Mathematica in this way. The first example, same to the pattern, we write it in this way: factors using bracket, square bracket, 12x square plus 27xy minus 84y square, and the bracket close. Here is use these x square from basic mathematic tool. Now when you click on shift plus enter, you get the result. This one is in factor form. This one is the first example. If you want to expand, how you it mean if you want to make again this form in expanded form, then we have to do, let's suppose if we write here expand and use this bracket and applying shift plus enter, we get this result. This is the our second example. In the third example, we want to add both of them. It means we use together command to gather square brackets and adding, after getting we get this result. Okay, let's move on the next example. This one is the our next example. This is the equation. The factor as an expansion x square minus 3 equal to x square minus under root this one square. We want to, if you want to make factor, you use the factor command, and this one is the extension to square. For square root we write sqrt. This one is this square root. Square root of what? 3. Square root of 3, and here we use the square bracket and outer side on the this way we use the braces, curly bracket, and we write this one, this command. These two tools are written in this form. We get this result. Okay, simply in this lecture you see the how to factorize the simple question, and how to expand, how we write square root. We write square root sqrt. Let's this is another example. Here we want to use partial fraction decomposition on this question, how we solve it in Mathematica, and if we want to make this one, this is the improper fraction, and how Mathematica work on it. First of all, we for partial fraction we use the word apart, and first we write apart. Here is the bold letters or the letter. We write these letters in over Mathematica command window. This is the apart, and then write this all thing in this bracket. We get the result this one. If we, and this is the here is this one, this command, the x square minus 1 over there. We want to simplify this one, not want to make their partial fraction form. Now we use the cancel one. First of all, we write cancel, and write this in square bracket. We get this for simplification. Here is another example. If you want to solve this one, let's suppose this question is the x cube plus 2x square minus x minus 2 divided by x cube plus x square minus 4x minus 4. You want to this expression to factor both the numerator and denominator. We need the factor of these term. Now we write this one is, when we write this one is the numerator, and this is over numerators. Here is numerator command. This is the our question, x cube plus 2x square. We write this one and this. This is the result, and their factors, their factor are this. This is their numerator. For the numerator, the factor of the numerator. If you want to factor of the denominator, when we use in that case we use denominator word, and secondly this one and this they change the denominator in this form, and then simplify this in the factor form. The over purpose is to make the factor of both numerator and denominator. Now we use the numerator and denominator command and simplify this one in Mathematica. And if you want to simplify, that's mean we want to partial fraction here, then we use the apart. If we want to simplify, then we use cancel, and if we need factors, then we use the word factor. This one is another example. Here you see this is the simple and mathematical expression. We want to more simplify it. Then we, to the point, we use the square bracket and write it in square bracket. Here this is the result in square bracket, and simplify this one. Then only we have to write the simplify here. Then we get the simplest result is this one. Here we use the simplify command. Here in this example, you watch here to this is the mathematical expression. We want to solve this for different values of x. Here is x equal to 4, x equal to minus 3, and x equal to 2. We want to solve this expression for 3 different values. First of all, we write this in the fraction equal to this one is used here. The fraction backslash dot x up 4, this one is used when here this is their name, and you can put any other name that you want, that depend on you. This is not a command. Now first of all, you write any name of this one, then we use the backslash dot and x, because here we use x. This one is sign to 4. It means we put 4 in this fraction and we get the result 3 by 2. If we want to put minus 3, then we write it in place of 4, we use -3 and get this result. It is very simple for Mathematica and Mathematica user to use for the basic mathematics. A few some numerical expressions are in is in next lecture. Thank you for watching Education for All.